Matching the factory seam sealers can definitely be a challenge, especially when it comes to wide or flat seam sealers that are generally being applied by robots at the factory. In this video, I want to show you a solution for both 1K and 2K to help replicate many of these wide appearances of seam sealers that are being laid out in vehicles today. Many of the areas that I'm referring to are commonly found in roof ditches, trunk floors, rear body panels, and even frame rails on vehicles. When it comes to matching smooth, wide, flat appearances, it can be a challenge. With this solution, we are able to use a variety of products in both sausage, cartridge, and 2K solutions to match many of these smooth textures and wide appearances with relative ease. Both the 1K and the 2K nozzles have guidelines built into them. This is to allow you to trim quickly to very common applications that you may encounter, but for every application, it's always recommended that you first dry fit it to the panel that you're going to be applying seam sealer to. Once you hold it up to the panel and you determine where it needs to be trimmed, you can use a cutter or a knife to trim the plastic back following the guidelines on the nozzle. Once the nozzle is trimmed, install it onto a properly equalized cartridge, run out a couple test beads, and if needed, adjust the air pressure to achieve the right amount of flow for the bead you are trying to replicate. Once you're happy with the flow and the look of the bead, go ahead and install it onto the vehicle. When your application is complete and you're using a two-component product, remove the tip from the static mixing nozzle and discard it, leaving the static mixing nozzle attached to the cartridge. When you're using a sausage pack, also remove the tip from the nozzle. When you're using an aluminum cartridge, leave the tip on the cartridge until its next use. If you have any questions on this video or other seam sealer related topics, post that in the comment section down below. Also, make sure you hit the subscribe and like button, and check out our other information at the 3M Collision Repair Academy. The link for that is in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.